Hello everyone, this is Kevin with Hardscape.com. I'm in a project that was done by MAS General Service at Tiffany Gardens East using our porcelain pavers. The design is the Pietra de Valls 24 by 24 2 cm, and they did the entrance as I was showing to you, some of the common areas. They did the pool deck also, and I'll be showing to you guys in the video. So this is a walkway that leads to the beach, and the walkway continues here, which will lead to the pool deck. And the reason they chose the porcelain pavers is because they were dedicating a lot of resource to the maintenance of the previous pavers they had, which was brick pavers. So they had to keep using resources as manpower, and of course buying material to keep sealing the product that they had previously, and having to schedule pressure wash. So over here the material wraps around in the step, so they had to keep pressure washing and sealing it, so they were tired of the maintenance aspect of it. So here keeps the walkway, and then it will wrap around into the pool deck and the entrance of another building. So they're still gonna do the landscape here. This is one of the entrance of one of the buildings here. I just like this detail a lot, how they wrapped around and did like the top of it with the porcelain pavers. And then I'll show you a little bit of the pool deck that was done, the coping. Everything was done with the Pietra de Valls 24 by 24 2 cm. I have to step in here. And they used the same material as the coping. So they did the coping wall on top of it. And this is how it looks on the inside of the coping. It just looks beautiful. So these are anti-slip, so they're great for pool areas. So on a condo association, of course you don't want to get slipping hazards. These all it could be dangerous for the tenants that are living here, homeowners. So these are great because they're anti-slip, so you're not going to be worried about people falling in your pool deck. And this project was done by MAS General Service. And if you want to reach them, you can give me a call you can reach Hardscape at 561-677-1498. And it continues here. This walkway wraps around the building, so we're gonna keep walking this way. And then, as I was saying, you can reach us at 561-677-1498, Hardscape.com. My name is Kevin, and the project was done by MAS General Service. Give us a call so we can assist you in your project. If you're a homeowner, contractor, builder, architect, reach out and we'll assist.